Hi, I'm Mark. Let's read a book called Woodpeckers, or Backyard Wildlife Woodpeckers. Contents. What are woodpeckers? Flying. Where woodpeckers live. What woodpeckers eat. Drumming. Glossary. To learn more. Index. Woodpeckers are birds. They peck at trees with their sharp, pointed beaks. Woodpeckers have 4 toes on each foot, 2 point forward and 2 point back. Woodpeckers climb straight up trees. Their long, stiff tails help them balance. Woodpeckers fly in pattern. They flap their wings several times and then glide. Woodpeckers tuck their wings against their body when they glide. Woodpeckers live in forests. They build nests inside trees. Woodpeckers eat fruit and nuts. They also drill holes into trees to find insects. Woodpeckers stick their long tongues into the hole. They have barbs on their tongue to grab insects. Tongue is long. Woodpeckers drum on trees to talk to each other. Male rubs to call tap, tap, tap. Glossary. Balance. To stay steady.
Stay steady.
Stay steady and not fall. Barbs. Sharp points. Woodpeckers have barbs on their tongue to grab food. Beaks. The mouth of some animals such as birds and turtles. Drum to strike the surface. Insects. Small animals with 6 legs and hard outer bodies. Insects' bodies are divided into 3 parts. Pattern. A repeated action. When woodpeckers fly, they flip their wings several times and then glide. Peek. To drill into with the beak. To learn more. At the library, Murray Julie, Woodpeckers, and the mini albedo pod.co 2005. To Townsend, Emily Rose, Woodpeckers. Man, men, Capstone, Priest, 204. Wildsmith, Brain, The Owl and the Woodpecker, New York. Starbright Books, 2006. On the web. Learning more about woodpeckers is as 1, 2, 3. Go to www.factsurfer.com. Enter woodpeckers into the search box. Click the surf button and you will see a list of related websites with factsurfer.com. Finding more information is just a click away. Thanks for listening. Bye.